So that's what you want to look for. You want to kind of, what I would do is I would grab a notepad and I would kind of write down some basic ideas. And also, if you guys are watching Zooms live, you can learn to do this live. Like when I start a new thing, when I start a new topic, you can look at your notes and you kind of go, okay, here's a general overview of the 7 or 8 things Chris covered today. And that'll be even easier because now you can find them. So look, we got the whole funnel thing. We got that funnel section. After that, we've got Midjourney. We're creating graphics in Midjourney. That's a whole Midjourney tutorial right there. That's another one. That'd be a great video. Look at that. Very powerful video on Midjourney. Really good. And it's not even that you have to share the whole thing. Just you can share part of it and get people to pay for the whole rest of it, right? Then we go into talking avatars, show an example of talking avatars. Okay. And then it looks like we wrap up for the most part. Okay. And then music video. All right. So we look, there's probably 10 ideas in here. Let's just use one right now for this example. Let's just use whatever the first one is. Let's see, what was the first one? It was the 4 biggest obstacles. So what I'm doing is I'm scrubbing right here to the left. I'm moving my cursor to the left, somewhere right around here, before I get started.
Always called a whiteboard.
And then I'm going to play
it. It's really a flip chart, right?